DC Emergency Glass Repair is the primary glass company serving Washington, D.C., Northern Virginia, and Southern Maryland. We specialize in all emergency and non-emergency glass repair and replacement for shower doors, glass doors, windows, skylights, glass tabletops, frameless glass enclosures, patio doors, and glass shelves. Take a look at our operations.
Now that you have seen our back-end glazer operations and got a glimpse of our Washington, D.C. based glass company, I would like to discuss some of the services we can directly provide to you and your business. We are specialized in all glass repair and replacement for commercial, residential, and storefront applications. In addition to being a seasoned glass contractor in Washington, D.C., we are also experts in window repair and replacement for residential and commercial buildings. Glass doors are actually our biggest strength, as we can customize them any way you want. Our shower doors come in all shapes, sizes, and types. We replace, customize, and install them for the best prices in town. Our glass tabletop services range from custom designs to replacing your broken glass tops. We also provide glass shelving, glass railing, and glass fencing and skylight solutions. Storefront glass jobs are usually for emergency purposes, and your business assets are at stake. Rest assured that you are in great hands with our service. No matter the complexity or circumstances, you are in great hands. Call us now at 202-681-0381 or visit us at www.dcemergencyglassrepair.com. We look forward to talking with you soon.